I want to share with you a very important tip about this cover. Sometimes when we go to put this bolt back in, we put it in and we tighten and it goes a bit more than it should. What happens is it will actually go all the way in and it will puncture out the bottom of that brass insert, creating a intake manifold leak whenever the bolt is not in place. Now, the reason for that happening is on the back side, this little sleeve has fallen off and we haven't noticed, much like that one's fallen off and we haven't noticed. So, bottom line, when you have this cover, always check to make sure you have all of these sleeves, because this prevents that bolt from going in too far into the intake manifold. Put that in there, and we can flip it over and put it on. Now, if you do have a hole here, it's not really a big deal because once the bolt's in it, it's a good seal. And to make even a better seal, you can put on a little bit of Loctite, and that should seal up the threads quite nice, and you won't have that intake manifold leak when the cover is off or when it's on. So, watch for that little insert there, and you're good to go.